Hello students, so we have already studied the axiom 6.1, 6.2 and also the theorem 6.1. Now on the basis of that axioms and the theorems we will be solving the exercise. So let us move on to the exercise 6.1. So let us start with the question number 1. In the question number 1 it says in figure lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, then find the angle BOE and reflex COE and reflex angle COE. Okay, so over here the lines AB and AB and CD intersect each other. So they are intersecting each other at this point O. They are intersecting, both the lines are intersecting at the point O. Okay. So it is being given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees. Means the angle AOC and angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Also angle BOD is given. So BOD, this is angle BOD. It is being given over here 40 degrees and the sum of these two angles is given 70 degrees. Now with the help of axiom 6.1 which we have already studied, it says if a ray stands on a line then the sum of the adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of all the adjacent angles in the case of if the ray stands on a line then it is equal to 180 degrees. So here we can see the ray OC and OE stands on the line AB. We can see OC and OE rays stands on line AB. Okay, it stands on line AB. So the sum of these angles, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE will be equal to 180 degrees. It will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degrees. Now we have been given the sum of angle AOC and BOC is equal to 70 degrees already given in the question. So we will be directly writing 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now, so angle COE comes out to be, when 70 will go on the RHS side, it will go with the negative sign. It will change its sign and it will become negative. So it becomes 180 degrees minus 70 degrees will be equal to 110 degrees. Okay. The second angle, but we have to find out the reflex COE. So we have to find out the reflex COE. So the reflex angle is found out when we subtract from 360, then we get reflex angle. Reflex angle COE will be equal to 360 minus angle COE, which will be equal to 360 minus 110 degrees, which will be equal to 0, 5, 250 degrees. So my reflex angle, because reflex means which is greater part one. So this part of angle they are asking reflex angle, this part of angle. So this part of the angle will be 250 degrees because angle COE has come out to be 110 degrees. Okay. Okay. So the next angle which we have to find out in the question is angle BOE. angle BOE. So considering the straight line to be, so considering the straight line to be AB, so considering the straight line to be AB, and raise OE and OB on the straight line CD. Sorry, considering this line CD, not AB. We have already considered the line AB over here. So considering now line CD, and the rays OE and OB standing on the line segment CD. Okay, so considering now rays OE and OB rays standing on line segment CD. Okay, so what again, all the angles, the adjacent angles, the sum of all the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So it will give me angle COE plus angle EOB or BOE. I can write it as BOE plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle, it is BOD. You can write it that in any way, BOD or DOB, it is one and the same thing. So angle BOD is already given to us in the question. It is equal to 40 degrees. So I'll put here 40 degrees over here. Angle BOE I have to find out. So I'll write it as BOE. Okay, and angle COE I have already found out in the upper part of the question. So it comes out to be 110 equal to 180 degrees. So angle BOE comes out to be 180 degrees minus 110 plus 40, which comes out to be 150, and when I subtract from 180 degrees, I'm left with 30 degrees. Okay, so my answer for BOE is 30 degrees, and my answer for angle COE is 110 degrees, and my answer for reflex angle COE is 250 degrees. Okay, understood? These are all my answers. Okay, some of the questions we will be doing, rest of the questions you can do and you can solve, and then you can ask me in the comment section. Now next, let us move on to the fourth question. Okay, in the fourth question it says, in figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then we have to prove it that AOB is a line. We have to prove it that AOB is a line. So the figure is being given over here. In the figure we can see angle BOC is equal to x, angle COA will be equal to y, angle AOD will be equal to z, and angle DOB is equal to w. So we already know that the sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degrees. If it is a straight line, then the sum of the adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees, but this is not a straight line, so it forms the angle equal to 360 degrees. It forms a sum to be equal to 360 degrees. So I can write angle, angle COB plus angle BOD plus angle DOA plus angle AOC is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Now angle COB is equal to X. Angle BOD is equal to W. Angle DOA is equal to Z. Okay, it is already given in the figure. And angle AOC is equal to Y. And the sum is equal to 360 degrees. Now it is being given X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. So X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. It is given, it is already given X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. So what I will do, I will place in the place of W plus Z, I will place the value of X plus Y because both the values are equal. So I am already having one X plus Y over here, and in place of W plus Z I have already put in the given value. I have equated the value which is being equal to W plus Z. So it will again form X plus Y. It is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so from here when I'll solve it, I'll be getting 2x plus 2y equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so I'll take the 2 common from here. X plus y equal to 360 degrees. Then x plus y will be equal to 360 upon 2, because here it is in multiplication. When it will go in the RHS side, it will come to the division. It will become division. It will get divided to 360. Then I'll be getting 180 degrees over here. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. I have got x plus y to be 180 degrees. I have got x plus y to be 180 degrees. Okay, I got x plus y to be 180 degrees. So my x and y forms two adjacent angles, and it comes out to be 180 degrees. So they form a linear pair. So both angles form linear pair, and so we can say that AOB is a straight line. And so from here we can say that AOB is a straight line, because the linear pair is only possible in the case of straight line, and it's only possible if the sum of the adjacent sides is equal to 180 degrees. So x and y are the adjacent angles over here, and they are having a common vertex O, they are having a common arm OC, and so we can say that both the angles form a linear pair, and hence we can say AOB is a straight line. Hence proved. Okay. So in this manner, applying the axioms, applying the theorems, we have to solve the questions and find out the answers. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.